Heidi ho everybody. So what happened to Saturday's video? Well, I'll tell you, it wasn't because I'd partied too much. Our modem has been going a bit weird. The old interweb's been going down quite a bit, and Friday it just went off altogether. Nothing. I couldn't get the interweb at all. So I did make a video for the Saturday, but I couldn't upload it because we had no we had no connections. So we went and bought another modem on Sunday. So I posted Saturday's video for Sunday. Anywho's, today's recipe is a UK 10p. So I think we'll make this into a ring for a change, shall we? Right. Nice day today. Sun's out. Yesterday was really hot. And Saturday, it's still going on the lash all day. I went to a park with my friends and they had some hammocks. We set these hammocks up. He goes all the time. I've never been in a hammock before. Has any of you people been in a hammock before? Anyway, we set up these hammocks and we spent. I left about I met them at 4, and we finished about 9. Had a couple of cans. But yeah, it's really nice up there. His wife was there and he took his dogs. He's got these 3 dogs. And they had a lovely day. It was beautiful, sunny. So I'm going to nip up the shops maybe sometime this week, and I'm going to buy a couple of hammocks. Because my girlfriend's never been in a hammock before, and I'm thinking, what a great, because she starts her holidays next month. She gets a month off. So I want to buy a couple of hammocks, and I want to take it to the same park. And yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. But yeah, they're quite easy to get in. I thought I'd fall out of it instantly, but no. It was good. Right, let's break out Christy Burr. You want to just clean the edge up, make sure it's nice and clean. I've been polishing a load of rings. Like this lady in the States by, what was it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. She bought some rings and a heart pendant, and I've been polishing them up and clear coating them on. But I can't post them, so I'm going to have to try FedEx. Hopefully they still deliver. I don't know if they do. We're going to send them an email tonight and see if there's any way we can send this stuff to the States. Otherwise, I don't know what I'm going to do. My friends in England who I could send them to are off to the States themselves. But obviously, I can't send them to them because by the time they get them, they might, have already left. Right, there you go. So let's show a bit of love with Bernie. And warm it up a bit. Just draw it off. Yeah, I quite like some of these designs on these 10p's are similar to the 50p's and the 20p's. That design, it's quite good. Right, let's break out dimples. I want this face up, so it's going to go face down on the ring, on the trimming block. Just want to get it nice and square. I'm going to head over to the one and only Big Red. Bloody monitor's gone off again. It's back. I should show a bit of love. Just like that. My arm just fell out. Right. That's good. I've got one of these. It's a 17 degree folding die. Let's put a bit of jollop in there, shall we? Hope everybody's well. Hope you all had a great weekend. And I hope you're going to have a good, safe week as well. I'm not doing any of the market this year. I was going to try and go next month for 2 months, but my knee still ain't right. I'm going to the doctors this week to get it checked out. Something ain't right. Right, that's good. Right, I'm just going to heat it up and then we'll go over to Spike. Right, we're at Spike. I just annealed it again and cleaned up the edge. Give it a bit of a turn each time. The kitchen rod just protects the detail on the inside of the ring so you don't lose it. If you're looking for a custom ring, happily make you one. This isn't for anybody in particular, it's just me making a ring and a video for you lot. You see that bow? You want to get the bow out of it. It's work hardening quite well. So let's heat it up again and I'll be back in a tick. Okie dokie. Just annealed it again. Oh, Spike's getting a bit wobbly again. I might have to have a little play with him later on. It's still working okay though, until he gets down to the very bottom. Right, now the boat is out of it. It's now cone shaped. I'll give it a couple more. If you're new and you'd like to subscribe, there's a little red button bottom right hand corner of the video. Hit that, you're automatically subscribed. Hit the bell icon. I try to do 3 or 4 videos a week. I try to do 4, but sometimes in the summer it sort of goes to 3, you know what I mean. Right, now there's a little bit of a lip inside there. You see that lip? You want to get that out, otherwise it's uncomfortable to wear and it gives you a full sizing. You got any comments? Drop them down. Got any questions? Got any wants? You got any coins you'd like me to try and make? If I've got them, I'll do them for you. Any questions? Drop in the comments. Say something. Talk to me. Talk to me, for God's sake, talk to me. Come on. Now that's lovely. So we go down to the bottom of the spike, and these are reduction dies. This is Big Daddy. I don't need him. I need the next one. Slightly smaller. Because this ain't a big coin. It's going to have to be this one. Let's put a bit of jollop in there as well. And you're just looking to get the bow out of it and straighten up the walls. There you go. Straight walls. So let's go to polishing, shall we? It doesn't really need Kate Bush on it. Because there's hardly any fire scale on it, so we'll just go straight to Felton John. I've got to go to the store soon and get another one of these. This is just about at it. But there's enough of this one. Oh, too much. Perfect. I'm going to get a bit closer. Right. Let's see what happens. Should come up quite nice. All the rings in my shop I can resize within reason. If it's a small coin, I can't go huge, but I can go pretty big. Get a bit bloody warm, I know that much. Right, let's see what we've got. How's it looking? Let's clean off the mingers first, shall we? Right. I won't patina this one. I'll let it stay shiny. Shiny and happy. Okie dokie. Yeah, ain't got too bad. Quite good, in fact. Right, what we got? We've got a 10p coin ring. That's why you use the kitchen roll. You don't lose all the detail. There she is, old Lizzie. Rule Britannia! Right. So England will be playing again this week. We got 9, just over 9.25. I can make it bigger. I can make it smaller. So I'd like to thank you all for watching. Hey, leave a comment. Hit the like button for me. Do something, for God's sake. Right. It fits this finger perfectly. Hope you're all having a good week. A safe week. Try and make someone smile in your life. And, yeah, that's about it, really. And the rest of you can have this. Have it!